Hello guys, we are here again. So today will be a bit interesting day. We will be starting our tutorial with preparing a banner, basically a ad banner for a cosmetic brand. And what we will learn here today is like using the previous technique of cutting the subject from a background. We will be utilizing that with the new background. So here I have with two images I have selected and kept it in a test file. So let's start. So I have dragged both the images over here. So what we will do is we will cut this image and we will prepare ad using the image here. Okay, so in the previous tutorial what we have learned is how to separate an image or the subject from the background and change the color of the background. So in this what we will learn is we will remove this subject, remove the background and the subject, and we will shift it here and create an ad. So how we are going to do this? Basically we will start with the same old process. We will take the selection tool. So it's kind of easy. We can take the subject tool or else we can take the quick selection tool. So I guess quick selection tool will be a bit more easy as the image resolution is good enough. So it depends on what is the resolution of image you are taking, because resolution depends on everything. So the color options what you select should be prominent and the edges should be refined well. We will go with this slowly. Okay, so as I told you, it will select the nearest pixel whichever it has. So we'll try as much as we could as for now, then later on we will refine it. So I'm doing it in a bit of hurry to complete and make you learn the techniques so you can sit and explore. There are things to explore all the time. So here we have already selected this, then mask option is here, so go for mask. So here you go on black, go on 9%, here go for smart radius, hold the brush, make it to 135, and we will try it here. Let's see if it works. So here we decontaminate the colors and make it to 75%. Try to reduce with this. Try as much as we can. It's not necessary we have to complete everything. So okay, this is good. The selection is okay. So select OK. See, now the background is removed. So you get a good background. What we will do is we will shift this to the next layer. Okay, see, look, it looks good. Cutting is nice. You have got the feathers here, and little bit of this can be arranged and managed with this. Go for eraser tool. Minute errors you can just sit and you can play around. So now preparing an ad is actually a tricky job. So we need to promote those cosmetics. So accordingly, this model has to be acquired with the whole concept. We will try our best to do with it. Need to select something. We should have some good content even. So prepare a draft before you do. That's what I will suggest to. So here what I have in my mind as of now. So I will keep it here. Don't need two hands. We will show only one hand here. Then go for Century font. Okay. Go for flat. %. So basically whole point of making an ad banner or a small ad is to get a good feedback or get a good customer responses. So we have to think accordingly and we have to plan it. So if we have taken this, to be quite sure that we are keeping with the colors of the brand and maintaining it properly. So I have selected this. Control J again. I will select a backdrop here, tilt it a bit just to get a note. Here I will highlight this with this, and we have a black here. We can utilize this color too. So here we have black 10% off. Don't forget the star marks, those are really helpful for the companies. Okay, so you can just keep it somewhere here, and one more text. Order now or never. So this is the tagline. What we will do, if you are branding for any of the companies, then you can do it, or something is here. Okay, so the masking here, you can select here, press erase brush tool. So just masking stuff, you can do that. Okay, so for companies, if you are branding, so you need to keep place for the logo. You can keep it here or you can keep it here. So as it's education purposes, I am not putting any logos here, but however, if you really want to do that for your, you can put it over here, no issues. So this looks good. We will give a bit depth to the lady here, just to make it feel it's not in a odd place or it has been just grabbed it out over here. So it's very simple. We have created a small ad, and if you have a particular size, then you can press Ctrl Alt I and you can know the sizes. So my sizes are as per the image. So you can put your as per the estimated size, or you can always go for Control N and create your own file. Here we have all the segments, and this is all for now. Hope you have liked the video. Hope you understood the process of detaching a file from the background, what we have learned here. After that, you can check the previous tutorial if you have any confusion for that. And then we have dragged the file over here. We have used proper fonts related fonts. We have tried to make a good output over here. So if you want to give a bit more depth over here, you can go for the colors all the time. You can give shades, you can go for control U, you can change the colors if you want. If you want to make it a bit dusty color also, you can go for that. It all depends upon your creativity how you are going to do that. So I like a bit of simple and sound. So hope you have learned a bit from this tutorial. Let me know if you require any more update on this. I can guide you accordingly. So we can do this also. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do comment if you require any help or if you have any good suggestions for me for my changes, or we can do some upgradations also. That's always, critics are welcome. Thank you. Do visit, do like, do share, do comment. Thanks a lot.